Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking XP25 Excel Chapter 2 Cumulative Garten Furniture Instruction. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, and many more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat, and we will deal for this complete course. I will do your art simulation training, art simulation exam, midterm exam, and final exam with A plus grade. I am handling many students' courses on Matilda Pearson, Cengage Mintap, MC Grahil, Simnet, Blackboards, and many more colleges and universities. Let's start our assignment to solve step by step. The title of assignment is XB25, Excel Chapter 2, Cumulative Garten Furniture Instructions. Okay, I have highlighted this title of assignment. You can see this is the title of assignment, and under this project description you can see your project description to get idea about your project. Question number 1 is that, okay, first we increase the font size of instruction 5 for a proper view in my video. Okay, question number 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file name XP25 Excel Chapter 2 Cumulative Furniture Sales. Greater has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Basically, this question we will have to download Excel workbook from MATLAB Pearson dashboard. You can download this file easily from your Pearson portal. I have also downloaded this file from a Pearson portal. You can see this my file. Now I am going to do next question of this assignment. Okay, this file is downloaded from Pearson portal. Question number 2 is that insert a function in cell C3 to display the current date and ensure that the format is set as a long date. Basically, in this question, we will insert a function in cell C3 to display the current date. Okay, we will click on cell C3 and then we will insert a function to display the current date and ensure that the format is set as a long date. Okay, this is the first point of this question. Insert a function in cell C3 to display the current date. We will go to cell C3, press is equal to, and go to the formulas tab in the function library group. Click on date and time button and insert today function. Insert today function, then we will click on OK button. It will be show current date in cell C3. You can see now we will ensure that the format is set as a long integer. We will go to the insert tab, home tab in the number group. We will apply long date format. We will click on long date format. Question is done now. The next question is question number 3. Set column C with to auto fit. Simply we will select column C and then we will go to the home tab. In the cells group, click on format button and then click on auto fit column width. Okay, column C. Now auto width the column width. Now moving on, next question is question number 4. Okay, question number 4 is that insert a function in cell D11 to display the atom name based on the insert a function in cell D11 to display the item name based on the provided inventory lookup information in the range B24 to D29. Be sure to use the appropriate absolute cell referencing and the function return an exact match. Copy the function from cell D11 down through D19 to complete column D. Okay, simply insert a function in cell D11. We will click on cell D11, press is equal to display the atom based on the provided inventory lookup information in the range B24 to D29. Press is equal to enter VLOOKUP function. Okay, into C11 and absolute references is B24. C11 to B24, enter dollar sign and D29 and 2 but statement is false. You can see. Okay, and press enter, it will be show atoms names. Now copy the function from cell D11 down through cell D19 to complete column D. Okay, now we will copy the function through cell D19. Okay, this is so good. Now we will move on. Next question is question number 5. Insert a function in cell F11 to display the atom price based on the provided inventory lookup information. Okay, be sure to use appropriate absolute cell referencing and the function return an exact match. Copy the function from cell F11 down through F19 to complete column F. Okay. Basically, this question we will have to insert a function at cell F11 to display the atom price based on the provided inventory lookup information. Okay, we will click on cell F11, press is equal to, in cell F11 we will enter is equal to first and then we will enter a function. Be sure to use appropriate absolute cell referencing and the function return an exact match. Okay, VLOOKUP function, enter VLOOKUP function into C11 to B24, enter dollar sign for absolute referencing value and D29 and then 3 and then statement is false. You can see enter VLOOKUP function C11 to B24. Okay, B24 is absolute set reference, sorry, C11 and B24 to D29. B24 to D29 is absolute referencing value and 3 and then enter statement is 4. Then we will press enter. It will be show price in cell F11. Now copy the function from cell F11 down through cell F19 to complete column F. Now copy down the function through cell F11 to F19. Okay, this is so good now. Now we will move on next point. Next question is question number 6. Apply currency format to column F. We will simply select this column F and then we will apply currency format on this column F. Okay, this is the sixth question of this assignment. We will select column F, go to the home tab in the number group. We will apply currency number format. Okay, on column F. Now we will move on. Next question is question number 7. The question number 7 is that insert an if function in cell G11 to calculate the total due if the customer has chosen delivery column E is equal to yes, there is an additional delivery charge located in cell L11. In the if the item is not delivered, the total due is price. Be sure to use appropriate relative and absolute cell references. Copy the function from cell G11 down through cell G19 to complete column G. Okay, this is so good. The first point of this question is that insert an if function in cell G11 to calculate the total due. Okay, we will go to cell G11 and then press is equal to enter if function. Okay, we will enter if function and then we will enter E11 delivery is equal to yes E11. Okay, L11 plus F11 plus F11. L11 is absolute referencing value, enter dollar sign plus F11. Okay, L11 is free delivery, and F11 is price, and then press okay. We will press enter, it will be find total due in cell G11. You can see this formula, enter if statement into E11 is delivery is equal to yes, and then L11 is free delivery, and press F11 is price. Then we press enter, we define total dues. Now copy the function from cell G11 down through cell G19 to complete column G. Okay, we will copy the function down through cell G19. Now moving on, next question is question number 9. Apply currency format to column G. We will select column G and then we will apply currency format. Okay, we will select this column, go to the home tab in the number group, and then we will apply currency format on this column. The next question is question number 9. The question number 9 is that insert the function in cell I11 to calculate the first customer monthly payment using appropriate relative and absolute cell referencing. Cell references place a minus sign to the left of the present value argument so that the function return a positive result. Copy the formula down the column. Basically in this question we will insert the function in cell I11 to calculate the first customer monthly payment using appropriate relative and absolute cell referencing. Okay. We will go to cell I11, press is equal to, and then we will enter a function is PMT. Okay, PMT function into 1 second. Okay, L11 is a sorry L12, L12 1 second, L12. Okay, interest rate. Okay, it's absolute reference into dollar sign interest rate dividing by L 13 months per year. Okay, and then H11 is a years multiplying by absolute value is L13. L13 is month per year, and minus G11 is a total due. G11 is the total due, then we will press enter. You can see this formula for monthly payment column, enter PMT L12 dividing by L13, H11 multiplying by L13 minus G11, then we will press enter. Then it will be show monthly payment in cell I11. Please focus on my PC screen. You can focus on my formula. I have put the formula in cell I11. Now I will press enter and it will be show value for monthly payment column. Okay. Now copy the formula down through complete the column I19. Okay, this is so good. You can see on my PC screen. Okay. Now I am going to do question number 10. Use quick analysis to insert a function in cell I20 that calculate the total of all monthly payment in column I. Okay, basically in this question we will use the quick analysis to insert a function in cell I20 that calculate the total of all monthly payment in column I. We will select column I, click on quick analysis button, we will go to the totals, click on sum button, and it will be show total for monthly payment. Okay, you can see I have done 10 question in my video. Total question of this assignment is 20. I have done 10 question in my video. It's mean I have done 50-60% of assignment in my video for remaining question. And if you want to do for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Nursing, Medical, Web Development, and many more online courses. I am handling many students courses on Material Pearson's Engagement App, MC Grahil, Simnet, Blackboards, and many more colleges and universities. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp scanner is given in the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my art student. Thank you so much.